mo kayo.
Hindi mas to.
Trade. Sino gusto mong hammer?
Ako
Ready.
gamit.
Sakat.
Sino yun?
Eh, gago. May mga pato ba kayo? Tatlo sa akin.
Ito yung crown. May crown. Wala ba akong crown sa second
Wala ka
party?
ng pots, Lee.
Tatlo na lang. Ay, boss na.
Tara din,
Sali ka
boss.
kala Sean.
Second party.
Wala kasi may
Boys, come here northeast. We walk the second gate. Northeast, come here.
Leo.
Ayos lang. Kaya pa to. Tago na lang siguro gilid.
Hammer. Oy, defensive now. Defensive now.
Timo.
Walking. Stop them on the gate. Engaging tayo sa gate, boys. Engaging on the gate. Get ready in 5. After, rebound in 4, 3, 2, 1. The gate. Tangay ng stun yan. Ang tagal.
dami gago.
Nagulat ako.
Clear muds, boys. They're walking in,
Ang color.
Wala pang cooldown yun.
Get your cooldown. Hill front, boys.
Help.
Pastak nga. Yung zone.
Take space kaya, boys. Take space. They can engage.
5 seconds.
Hammer. They can engaging, Okay. Okay lang. Hammer. Don't walk in, do not walk in.
Okay, looking.
Hindi mo pa fake agad yan.
Do fake, Burns. Fake mo agad. Quickly, mag-get.
Kabasag.
Ayun na.
Oh, boom. Okay, boys. Be ready defensive, Pull dip. Wait. Be ready lang. Wait. Just brawl him. Clear guards, boys. Pull them east a little bit. Pull yung guards sa east, boys. Come here, east, boys.
Clear ng guard.
Ay, clear nyo to.
Clear guards, boys. Boys, they looking, I'm dropping you here on the choke, boys. Be ready, shallow engage in 3, 2, 1, shallow. Boy, nakapag gigapots. Boys, don't go deep on the west. Boys, help on the choke. Drop you on the choke, please.
Looking na yung color tier. Each end.
Be ready, defensive now. Full defense.
Demon.
Nice one. Walking a little bit. Walking. Let me know yung cooldown.
Ready.
Hold them, tanks. After clear ka. Ready na kayo?
Ready.
Wait. Engaging on me, boys. On me. Fight the crown. Engaging. Wait, no. Hammer. Hammer both sides. Clear guards, same time. Dodge pa. Dodge ano. Shield Jinx. Huwag nyo ang salin nyo. No, Jinx! Putang ina!
50% pa.
Let me know OC 10 minutes na ako. We have 5 more minutes. Hammer both side, boys.
Tropa ba yung naka-BL na zone? Yan yung kanina tropa daw.
Hayaan mo na, nagtitrip lang.
Pwede ko mamastak dito? Ay, pwede nga.
Hammer boys, clear guards first. Boys, drop on this guards in 3, 2, 1. You drop guards.
Uy.
Okay, boys, come here west. Clear guards here, west.
10.
Dito.
Ready.
Gago itong mga,
Baliw.
Mambo, par. Oh, defensive now.
Demon.
Defense. Nice one, okay. Just hold here. Hold here. Clear guards. Q guards. Chill lang.
Hindi tank sa
There's someone.
Boys, you see this GA behind the wall, engaging in the east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Behind the wall. Go lang.
Kinakain kami ng guards ha.
Boys, come here, boys. Clear guards. You go back. Nice kill. Nice engage.
Ay, nag-visit.
Okay na ng guards. Oh, shit. Boys, inch up a
Okay,
little bit.
boss.
Take space kayo northwest ng
5
stairs.
seconds.
Pillars.
4 sets pa ng guards yan ha. Solid na.
Okay.
2 sets pa.
Boys, kill guards. Bring in, pabring ako, di pa pull. Pwede pull yan, di ba, BM?
Galaw lang tayo, pre, para hindi tumanungan. Okay.
Boys, engaging shallow. Oh, no. Wait. Tangin na, bigla nag-reset yung guards. Boys, ready defensive ha? They're walking in, boys. Wait. Come here. Papull ako ng guards dito sa amin, Papull guards. Boys, be ready defensive ha? I'm dropping you here. Saan yung guards? Hindi nag-reset. Come here, Azut, dali mo yung guards dito. Nasaan yung guards? Come here. Northwest.
Akira.
Come on, quickly, boys. Drop inside in 3, 2, 1 on this guards.
Uy.
Okay lang. Uy, mamamatay pa yun. Ano ba yun? Defensive, boys. Ready defensive. Boys, wait. They're not engaging yet, boys. Demon. Judy, drop Judy.
Ayan.
Patch. Walking, Papa Patch. Walking, boys. Let me know your cooldown. Hold them on the choke. Hold them on the
6
choke, boys. Walk in, walk in.
Ready.
Alas ko na.
Ready? Ready,
Okay,
ready.
engaging on the stairs, boys. We're in 5, on the stairs in 4, 3, 2, 1, on the stairs, boys. On the stairs. One shot. One shot. Boy, alone, stop. Get stopped. Boys, come here, northwest. Take breather, take breather.
Northwest
Duty
kayo,
on the
yung mga
stairs,
low,
please.
yung
Drop
mga low.
duty. If you're low, boys, if you need heal, come here, boys.
You need go inside Judy. Go inside Judy.
Go Judy, play Judy, play Judy, play Judy. Ano, nakikay doon. Hindi, mag-walk-in pa lang sila. Drop Judy yung mga supports. Reset your cooldown. Boys, clear guards, clear guards. The Zoot mamamatay. Boys, you need heal. Nice.
Ready, ready, ready.
Matay po, okay na boys. Engaging, wait. Engaging shallow. Wait. Hindi. In the south, look south, look south, look south. Engaging south in 3, 2, 1. South, 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 south.
Uy, napaganda pa.
Okay lang. Go back northwest, go back northwest. Boys, kill
Kill
your
nyo yung guard, kill nyo yung guard. Boss,
Kill guards, kill guards. Almost dead, boys. They're ready, boys. Defensive, defensive.
Minutes, Josie.
Amir, northeast, northeast. Pull them on second gate. Pull them on second gate. I'm dropping Judy here. We play here. We play here. Play in the Judy, play in the Judy. Drop Judy. Be ready defensive, boys.
Ay, yun na.
Defensive now, defensive now, defensive now. Nice one, boys.
Ready,
Please
tira.
absorb
Ready,
that, boys.
ready.
Walk southeast, walk south. Engaging tayo sa stairs. Walking on the stairs. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the stairs, boys. Come on.
Top ka.
Ang tablat.
Can we?
Light armor, light armor.
Okay, okay. Come here, northeast, come here, northeast, come here, northeast. Come here, northeast, 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 northeast. Pull out, you pull out, you pull out, boys. You pull out, you pull out, you pull out. Come here, stabilize here. Stabilize here, boys. Stabilize here, stabilize here. Okay lang, we have defensive, we have defensive, we have defensive. Nice. Stabilize here. Not yet. Okay, they maze, boys.
Ready,
Walk in,
ready,
ditang
ready.
touch them southwest. Walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in. Look on the west, on the GA, sword. GA in 3, 2, 1. Fuck, got GA sila. Reset your cooldown, reset your cooldown. Hindi tang, isang offensive,
7
di tang,
minutes, Josie.
10.
7 minutes, oh, sige, we good, we good, we good. Wala nang guard sa west. Come here, northeast, sa east.
Wala
Come here,
na.
northeast.
Nasa lobby yung
Meron
guards.
pa, meron pa.
Mas pull out.
Nasa loob na lang? Okay.
Ikot tayo, ikot tayo. Pwede.
Come here, boys, come here, come here, come here, come here. Northeast.
May ganun pa guard.
Harap around, boys, switch position. Be careful, stay off the walls. Dutch barrel.
May guard pa dyan.
Kill this guards. Ang guards lang ata yan? Dutch barrel, Dutch barrel. Oh, one guards. Do fake, do fake, do fake, do fake, do fake.
Ay, Lord.
Do fake and then we fall back northeast ha. Fall back northeast, fall back northeast. Heal nyo sila, heal nyo, heal nyo, heal nyo. Fall back northeast, fall back northeast. We just pulling them, okay? Just pulling them. Fall back northeast, fall back northeast. Are they? Oh no, they're not following. Boys, come here, southwest. Ay, kill Lord, kill Lord. Sige, kill Lord, kill Lord. Kill Lord, boys. Drop E on the Lord in 3, 2, 1. Yung drop E on the Lord. Fuck,
Ish.
nag-reset.
Nawala.
Much.
Stairs lang yan, stairs lang.
Drop Judy on the choke, please. They're looking. Take space northeast kayo. Spread. Nice stop, boys. You spread here. Just
10 seconds,
boys,
tira.
spread. Walking, boys. Walking. You see on the stairs, engaging tayo. Inside in 3, 2,
Boys, hindi ako okay.
Sige po. Wait.
1. Stairs.
Nice one.
Defensive now, defensive. Demon at the same time, boys. Demon at the same time. Come here, northeast. Northeast, pull them outside, boys. Pull them outside a little bit. Pull them outside. Tagal naman yung GA na.
5 minutes sa house sila. 5 minutes.
Sige lang, 5 minutes, sige lang. Boys, walk in a little bit. Walk in. We do shadow. Let me know, cooldown.
Ready.
Ano yung guard sa reset? Daming guards dito, Tir.
Ay, nag-reset na yun, guards.
Sinasama niyan. Sinasama niyan ang...
Ay, sinasama, okay.
Sinasama.
Wait lang. May GA ba tayo? Fuck, mahirap na tayo. Boys, engaging tayo shallow, okay? Okay. On the Lord, dropping E on the Lord in 3, 2, 1, yung dropping on the Lord. Okay, boys, ready defensive now. Okay lang. Okay, defensive now. Just play around here. Play around the Judy, boys. Spread. You have defensive, boys. Trust your instinct, boys. Defensive on the east. Nice one, boys. You walk into them. We have engaged in 5 seconds.
10 seconds,
Boys.
10 seconds.
Walk in the west, deep, engaging inside in 3, 2, 1, boys.
Nice one.
Nice. Go back northeast, boys. 4 minutes. Oh, see, boys.
4 minutes sa akin.
4
Yung
minutes,
bait
4
na lang.
minutes.
Kaya pa.
4 minutes.
Say, goods pa.
Looking.
Boys, do not leash the Lord, boys. Drop Judy.
Laban Judy dyan.
Okay, meron na. Go inside Judy, boys.
Ready, Tira,
Drop E
ready.
on the Lord. Drop E on the Lord in 3, 2, 1. On the Lord.
Nice.
No,
Diba?
almost dead. 2K.
Patay na, patay na yung Lord.
Stabilize, wait lang, wala tayong English, wait lang, chill lang.
14 seconds RB.
Do fake, okay, sige. Do fake.
Yan naman. Okay na.
Walking a little bit, walking boys, walking, night helmet, pop night helmet boys. Sige lang. Take space ka south.
OJ sa loob mo, OJ sa loob.
Spread. Engaging tayo sa south. Look south. Engaging tayo sa south. In 3, 2, 1. Inside. Just inside. Defense at the same time. Nice one. Demon. Spread. I've dropped Judy in the middle, boys. You spread. Play in the Judy. Walk northeast, northwest. Catch your No GG call, boys. No GG call. What the fuck GG call? Ano to? Engaging na second gate. Second gate. In 3, 2, 1, boys. Second gate. Kill Lebron.
Ano nga labas?
Kill Lebron. Kill nyo to.
Oy, zone yan na. Yung zone.
Kill Lebron.
Oo, yun eh.
Yun.
Ay, Azot, kabul mo natin to. Mamamatay tayo dito, pre.
Okay, boys. We go out. We don't have OC. Boys, go out. We're grouping southwest. Please,
Labas kayo, labas kayo, pre.
Yo, VR. God. VR, God.
Naka-down si Mimo.
Holy.
Uy, napugutan.
Help me.
Grabe na pugutan.
Southwest, tulungan nyo. Lumalaban pa, Southwest.
Ay, lumalaban pa. Fuck.
Full na si... Full na siya.
Si Jinx pa, revive.
Okay, di ko pa pumakantat to.
Revive me si Jinx. Pagnan nyo.
Ano ba yung pumugot? Ayan yung pumugot? Ikaw,
Si Jinx, ayaw ako.
Revive nyo na dala nyo para makalis na tayo.
mababasa na tayo.
Go southwest.
At yung may pumugot, gago pa rito.
Yun yung castle yan eh.
Go southwest.
Ganti na ako.
Kapagutan si Mimo. Wala tayong magagawa.